Welcome back to Nana Hobby channel. Today we're gonna see how to make a double crochet. So I start already with my chain, and then I have to make 4 more, because 3 they take a place for the first double crochet and 1 for turn the work. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're gonna count it for the hook. 1, 2, 3 and the 4 chain, yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, put the yarn, then yarn over, close just 2, and you have 2 loop, yarn over and close all 2. So the third chain here, it count as first double crochet. This is the second one. So yarn over, go in the next one, through the chain, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the same double crochet. Again, yarn over, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn over, just 2. You have 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. The double crochet is closed into part. So again, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And then the last one, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now, when I do, in my case, when I do double crochet, I usually start in a couple ways, but I'm gonna show you the first one and the second one that I'm using. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which this is the basic. Turn your work, because this one is represent the first double crochet. You can work here, otherwise you're gonna increase. So you have to work in the second one here as for double crochet. But you see, like I showed you before, we got a gap. So instead I do this. Chain 1, I turn in the same stitch here, single crochet, chain 2, and then I do my double crochet. This way it's less visible. Or you do chain 2, 1 and 2, but it doesn't gonna count like for the double crochet, but it's gonna count just you turn chain, and then you work the first double crochet in the first chain, and then I think this is the better. See, it's closer. So again, yarn over, close 2 and close 2, yarn over, insert the hook here, pull through, yarn over, and then again here, yarn over, again, and then I'm going to show you the last one. Okay, so like I told you before, if you close here, your work is gonna be going that way, not straight. So because we do the third chain here, you have to make the last double crochet in the here, 1 2 3 chain from the previous row, remember? So we have to put your hook here and then do that double crochet like that. So now I show you very close. I'm gonna do like very fast this one. I want to show you how easy is close when you do the 2 chain instead to do the 3 chain. So I'm gonna start here, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet here, there we go, we are at the last one. Okay, so this is gonna be the last double crochet. And here the 2 chain space we're gonna put a double crochet. But if you see from here to here, see what I mean before, the work started to go this way with no straight edge. That's why I tell you to do this way, and then I'll show you again. Okay, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, and then do it. I'm gonna just show you the difference between how much chain you have to put when you're working. Okay, so chain 1, turn, single crochet, chain 2, and then again. I'm gonna go a little faster because I want to just show you the edge. Then we are here, so we're gonna go in the top of the single crochet here. See the difference? But like I say, if you prefer and you feel more comfortable to do it the usual way, you can do this. So we are here again, the first row. It's a lot of way to masquerade the starting chain with a double crochet, which I'm gonna show you later on. So 1 2 3, skip your first one because remember the chain 3 is counted like a first double crochet. So skip one, go to the next one, and then you do your double crochet. Here, pull through 2, pull through 2, close 2, close 2, and then we are here, close 2, and close 2. There we go. Then again chain 3, 1 2 and 3, turn your work, skip this one because we have a chain 3 here, go to the next one, and then you do the double crochet, 1 2, 3, 4. At the 5th it's gonna be here. 1, 2, 3 in the 3rd chain. See? 1, 2, and 3. So the last double crochet is gonna be in the chain 3 from the previous row. There we go. I hope that I explained to you that you understand me, okay? So if you don't understand, leave me a comment below, and then I can do it again for you. If you have any question, let me know. And then I hope this little mini tutorial is helpful. So I'll see you for the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.